Hello, I'm back to do a spring magazine haul. Not haul, harvest. Haven't done one online in a long time. I was perusing through this one with Aunt Tabitha. Aunt Tabitha said, aren't you older than me? Call me Aunt. I think this came in a 3-pack. January, February, I bought this, and this came in a 3-pack. I know that. I don't think we're gonna get to all of them. I did see some. Let me tab. I am it's pretty. I love the color. I am obsessed with gardening this year. I'm not going to garden. I'm just obsessed with the idea of it. You know, all that, I just looking forward to being outside looking at trees and everything and leaves. I'm looking forward to window gardening. Wish I could do. This is probably as much as I'll get done. It's something like a container garden, but I don't know. I don't have a green thumb, but I'm obsessed with the idea of gardening and gardens. It's flipping. I know I shouldn't be. This over here flipping. Ooh, that's a little tight. Okay, I'm not going to cut out. I'll just remove the pages of some. Ooh, this thing is- and this is fun and festive. Ooh, see? That's pretty. I know, it's healing. Plants are healing. Sometimes I don't know what it is this year. I really do kind of need it. I really do need it. And then I'm really jealous of these outdoor rooms. Oh, aren't they beautiful? This one's maybe a little overgrown, too much for my taste, but I get the idea. But some of these outdoor rooms I've been seeing in some of these magazines are drool worthy. Oh, isn't he cute? If you see something I overlook, yell and say, tell me go get it. I like this chair. It's only at Walmart. Oh, he's cute too. Have you seen that Walmart has upped their game? I'm not a Walmart shopper because I have a brick and mortar store that's kind of comparable to Walmart that I prefer better. But I went into some Walmarts and I was like, oh. They really upped their game. I know you're like, Micki, read these on your own time. I bought these corn dog wraps, but I haven't used them. I can make my own cornbread. I don't know why I bought it. Dip it in there. This is pretty yellow. I may have to come back for that. But this really speaks to me now. Like I said, it's healing. Something about looking at it just makes you just calm down for a little bit. But I cannot grow it. I have like I said, do not have a green thumb. What I used to do is just buy them from the store already contained, and then by the end of the season they were gone. That's sad. That's sad, but it's true. You know what I'm doing. It is pretty. This is pretty wallpaper over here. Now, I couldn't live with it on my walls, but I could sure put it in a glue book or a junk journal. I see that wicker is coming. Is that, you're calling it cane chairs. I'm calling it what these chairs are coming back. I took hold of my parents a long time ago. It was out of style now. It's in style. Look at that. Those daffodils. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is beautiful. Oh. I love a lighthouse. But it has those words in front of it, so I'll pass. It's in Outer Banks of North Kakalaki. Look at Miss Girl. Miss is on a journey. I love that table scape. Look at that. That is inviting. Make you sit down when I go eat. Jackfruit tacos. Again, if I've missed anything, let me know. The magic of moss. I want the moss. The sentiment, the magic of. I think this look will work for me. It's a little too much. Maybe I don't pour it, but ooh, in the house. It's moody. I think maybe in a fall book, I would like that. Not my spring book, right? I like this. These are pretty. It says bees are on. Beading is making a comeback. Now for me, that's too tedious for me, I think. It's pretty though. Interesting light. $149. $149 for this? There's a battery charge. Oh, okay. Oh, these are portable lamps that shine whenever you need to, like in emergencies and things like that. The Dollar Tree. Y'all go to the Dollar Tree. It's some cute little lamps that, I get it. These are, you know, the ones you can leave out. But 12 hours of charge. $42. Okay. I know I keep, I'm gonna cut him out again. I keep for lights out, for lights out. For auto just light, you know, for auto just, I keep a lot of lights and then a lot of string lights. You will be surprised at the string lights at Dollar Tree, how bright they are and how long they last. When we had, this was years ago, I didn't have electricity for 2 weeks. Family was very impressed with how I kept the house lit. Let me tell you. Go to the Dollar Tree and stock up. This one doesn't seem to have much except for this page. I'll cut that up. I like that. I don't know why I want a piece of her. Because I'm cleaning. Maybe do a journal page or something. I like this. But let me No, probably don't win. I know it's going to be a fuss between this page and the back. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. But y'all know I love butterflies, but still. And for these. Oh, the yuck guy. Yep. Yeah. I am not going to keep you too long. Because I was talking for a long time on the phone and my throat is a little scratchy. I'm going to get him later. So I just wanted to come on here for a little bit. Enchilada pie. And, do a quick spring harvest. Seems like the other book had more pictures to cut out. I don't do many home architecture kind of type glue books. Bet you one day I'll get into that. But this has a lot of that in here, as you can see, which is pretty, but I like this. Jumbo black velvet muffins. This is more autumnal. Ooh, especially this. A cocoa rub pot roast with burgundy. What? This is, no wonder. It's still January, February 2024. No wonder. Okay. Ooh. They don't look like they have nuts in it. That's too much. I had to have nuts in my brownies. I don't eat brownies regularly, but if I do, they have to have nuts. How do you like y'all brownies? With nuts, no nuts, caramel in it? Ooh, these are some nice pictures. Oh. And this is supposed to be spring. This is nice. Yeah, more of a water gal, but I can sit here. I can sit here, lounge. It's a nice book. Oh, they're teaching you how to bead over here. There again later, if there's anything that if I miss, scream out and tell me, which, so before I recycle it, I could go back and we didn't even get the other ones. And I will reconsider it. Alrighty, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, you can't get rid of me that fast. If you made it to the end, you are a rock star, and I appreciate you. Because this was a pretty long one. Since I've been back, I haven't made a 13-minute long one. So if you made it to the end, go on and drop me down a magazine or scissors to signify this. This is a cut it out. Let's cut it out. And I will talk to you later. Or you can always, leave me a wave emoji. And if you'd like to watch more videos of the harvest, let's cut it out. I will link it here and here and in other videos that you can watch. And now I will talk to you later. Bye.